Hare Krishna, welcome to the Wisdom Nugget through the lens of scriptures. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. So today's subject matter is what is the greatest gain of human life? Everybody must be inquisitive to know that what is the greatest gain of human form of life, human life. So the scriptures, Srimad Bhagavatam, proclaim loudly that etavan sankhya yogabhyam स्वधर्म परिनिष्ठया जन्म लाभ परह पुंसाम ante narayana smriti. The greatest gain of human life is to remember the Supreme Lord Krishna at the time of death. Supreme Lord Krishna Narayana at the time of death. Because if we fail to remember Krishna, we will not graduate from this material existence. We will not get out from this obnoxious material existence. We have to remain here undergoing the obnoxious birth, death, old age and disease, all this kind of misery. So therefore, the Shastra, particularly the Srimad Bhagavatam, has proclaimed loudly, you can see here, it's proclaimed loudly that highest perfection of human life achieved either by highest perfection of human life achieved either by complete knowledge of matter and spirit, by practice mystic powers, or by perfect discharge of occupational duties to remember the personality of Godhead at the end of life. So that is the thing. That is the graduation process. The graduation process is that at the time of death, at the end of life, we must remember the Lord. And we have been failing for the trillions years. That implies that we have forgotten, we fail to remember the Lord at the time of examination, at the time of death. Just like if we fail to graduate, we fail to graduate in the final examinations. So why we failed? Because it depends on the entire cumulative thought of entire life influences, cumulative thought of entire life influences our mind, mentality, our psychological condition at the time of death. Just like the passing out of examination, success of examination, final examination depends on the preparation of entire academic year. Similarly, our whole preparation during our life influences our thought at the end of life. If we think of dog, definitely at the end of the life we will think of dog and fail the examination, fail this life examinations. But if we think of God, if we mold our life so that every moment, every step we remember Krishna, then at the time of death it is obviously made possible to remember Krishna and pass out this life examination with flying colors. We will graduate from material existence to spiritual existence, where there is apparent absence of all this obnoxious misery of birth, death, disease, old age. Therefore, the scriptures has proclaimed loudly and categorically that this greatest gain of human life is to remember the Lord at the time of death. And in particular in this age, it has been recommended that the easiest process of passing out the examination or remembering the Lord at the time of death, at the end of life, is to chant the holy name of the Lord. Because the meditational process may be disturbed due to our external things. But when you chant the holy name of the Lord, there is slim chances of disturbances. This is the easiest process to remember the Lord. Just like we are chanting, we are taking the name of somebody, his form will come, so remembrance will come. So this is the easiest process, and this is the greatest gain of life. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna, all goes to Srila Prabhupada.